Rest in peace to all my real niggas. Citywide. That's real shit.
Bad Cave Studios.
I ride for my niggas, dawg. I catch a case for my niggas. I catch a case, yeah. I do or die for my niggas, dawg. That mean I die for my niggas, go. Stay leanin'. Nigga got that juice in me. Go. I ride for my niggas, dawg. Stay squeezing. Got killers that'll shoot for me. Go, I ride for my niggas, dawg. Damn, can't sleep till I'm rich. It's fucked up, in the hood you get hit. And get your brother took like Uncle Ice did Mitch. My OG shiz really taught me how to bitch. Shooting body always kept me fly as shit. Let's go, took me for that route on 476 and put me on a Greyhound with a quarter brick. And I ain't never lied, that's real shit. And I ain't shit, I'm on the ladder, the legendary. You ain't hot, you ain't even in my category. F-chain, he the shit till they bury homies. I done seen niggas die, had to carry homies. But I did it by myself, who gon' get it for me? Bitches tryna get fame off my music though. Bitch, you wasn't with me sweating in the studio. Bitch, you wasn't with me sweating in the studio. I ride for my niggas, dawg. I catch a case for my niggas. I catch a case, yeah. I do or die for my niggas, dawg. That mean I die for my niggas, go. Stay leanin'. Nigga got that juice in me. Go. I ride for my niggas, dawg. Stay squeezing. Got killers that'll shoot for me. Go. I ride for my niggas, dawg. Damn. Niggas know Gilly, I'm a live wire. Flow sharper than some barbed wire. A nigga hotter than a bonfire. Up and down 9-5, I just got one driver. Niggas cut they pinky off to get my neck. It sells so quick, these niggas trying to get it wet. These hungry bitches, they just trying to get a check. Was 13, I shot a nigga just to get respect. By the time I turned 17, was getting paper. By 24, I had a crib, was sitting on an acre. The money was illegal, I got it all from Eagles. Besides that, Donovan McNabb was my neighbor. Yeah. Niggas, I will murder y'all. Ride for my niggas like a stolen car. 3 holes in your niggas like a bowling ball. Motherfucker, this your curtain call. I ride for my niggas, dawg. I catch a case for my niggas. I catch a case, yeah. I do or die for my niggas, dawg. That mean I die for my niggas, go. Stay leanin'. Nigga got that juice in me. I ride for my niggas, dawg. Stay squeezing. Got killers that'll shoot for me.